That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and we're just kind of pinwheeling around town here today. We're looking for some homeless folks who might need a ride, might need some food, might need some help, might need a kind word. We're also going to help out maybe a stranger with a broken down car. Wherever we see people that might need a little bit of help, that's where we're going to be. And now...
you wouldn't happen to have a cigarette, would you?
No, but here, did you get some lunch?
No.
You want how about a nice double chili cheese dog?
Really, is that what this is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chili, you want water to wash it down with?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name?
Michael.
Oh, hi, Michael. And I'll tell you what, how about some dessert? You want some dessert?
Yeah, I'm just having a nicotine fit.
Well, how about some milk chocolate? It's a little...
All right.
Yeah.
Right.
You doing okay today?
Yeah, I'm doing all right. I just wish I could get like a, just a smoke or just a pack of $2 cigars or something, just something to take the edge off.
Well, you got a little dessert there. You got a water, and you got yourself a double chili cheese dog there. So. All right, Michael?
Yeah.
Hey, good luck to you, man, okay?
Yeah.
All right, see you later. Yeah. How about, I'll tell you what, I got a nice double chili cheese dog here for you.
That'll do, man.
Does that sound good? How about a bottle of water to wash it down?
Man, please.
You in the mood? What's your name, please?
Mike.
Mike, nice to see you, Mike.
Thank you.
And how about some dessert?
I shouldn't, but okay.
Oh, well, you gotta live a little bit. How about a nice milk chocolate there?
That'll do, man. That'll do.
What do you got going on? You living on the streets? You okay, or?
In and out.
Yeah.
I had my wallet stolen not too long ago, and I lost my ID, my debit cards, my social.
Oh, that sucks, man.
I got my debit card back, but it's just a process to get everything else,
I hear you, Mike. I hear you, Mike. Hey, well, good luck to you. Look for me. I'll help you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
See ya. Adios. And now, I think I see a lady who looks like she might be in search of a friend or a little bit of assistance. Let's go ahead. Let's check it out. Ding, ding. Hey there, you need a lift? I can turn around if you want.
Sure.
Yeah, hop on in.
Okay. Actually, I was a little short for a Polar Pop. I was going to the gas station there.
Oh, you know what? I got how about a Diet Pepsi? You want a Diet Pepsi?
That'll work.
You want Diet Pepsi? Wow, there you go.
Thank you.
And I got how about a nice candy bar too? You got a little treat here. How about some solid milk chocolate?
Thank you.
That's courtesy of Bug Garden there.
Thank you. Are you starting your own taxi company?
No, I'm just.
I was actually on my way to the Social Security building again. I think that's where you took. No, you didn't take me there last time.
Oh, I picked you up before?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name?
Crystal.
Crystal. Oh, how's things going?
It's going good. It's going really blessed.
Do you need me to turn around, or where I'll take you anywhere?
Social Security building.
Okay. What's been going on? What, are you still on the streets?
Yeah, I've been fighting addiction for the past couple days.
Yeah, well,
but I've been sober.
You look like you're in pretty good shape. What kind of drugs are you taking?
I'm not. I was shot up with cocaine when I was 12.
Oh no.
So I started doing meth as a dancer in town for a long time.
What, like on the cheerleading squad?
No. Like in the bars.
I
worked
see.
at Kilroy's for a long time.
Oh, was that highly lucrative?
Yeah, but I just got out of the bar late.
Oh.
I had been captive by a man for like 10 years.
What do you?
Well, I hate. It's just a long story. I don't really want to go into it.
Oh, okay, that's certainly your prerogative.
He didn't believe in God.
Oh boy. Well, that can definitely be a problem.
I think you got to change.
Okay. Yeah. I'll turn around here at the light here. So.
I really appreciate the help because there's a meeting I need to go to today. So I just came out of rehab, and that affected me in a good way.
Where'd you go to rehab?
Transitions.
Really? Well, good for you, Crystal. I mean, you're making an effort, and how long has it been since you've been screwed up on drugs?
I've been sober a week.
Oh, well, you know what? A week is a long time.
Yeah.
People, I was always chicken to do drugs, but most people who have never taken drugs don't realize that that addiction can just be totally maddening.
Yeah, well, like I made an appointment today to go to the rehab place to pick up my stuff.
Well,
And like the Medicab didn't even come. So I guess it's not in God's will for me to go back to rehab, but
oh, I think it probably is in God's will to go back to rehab. If you need a little touch up, what else do you have going on?
I got housing. I'm 7th in line for housing.
You're 7th in line. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Ding ding. You see?
Yeah.
The good news just keeps getting
Yeah.
better around here.
Yeah, I'm going to a meeting at 12 today, so
What
I think I'm just more like drug seeking, but I'm seeing the promises and not using.
well, where'd you, am I
this
going
is
this
where
way?
they're- yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm not exactly sure where we're going, but lead me the way.
Thanks for
wherever
the
we're-
drink. I was on my way. I was like a little. I'm getting. I have financial help. And the Social Security building's been helping me a lot with that.
Where'd you spend last night?
At the shelter.
Oh, how are the accommodations there? Are they pretty
They're good. Yeah.
Is the food okay?
Nah.
They give you like the meatless spaghetti?
It can be okay. It depends on how hungry you are.
Uh,
But I know it's the right place to be.
well,
Because I went to Crawford yesterday and it was. I went to see. I guess I'm realizing how your heart can lead you to. The road to hell can lead you to, like. Oh, I'm sorry. I think you're supposed to go that way.
okay, yeah, I'm not sure where the... But
Like
we'll
the
turn
cruel
around.
intentions, you know? Like the intentions of.
Well, it sounds like you've been getting some church in. You've been going to church? Because remember, the big boy
Yeah, I like my
upstairs.
deacon.
Yeah, the big boy upstairs, he's looking out for all of us, so...
Yeah.
Which church do you go to?
First Christian Church.
Oh.
Down there by the library.
Oh,
I like my deacon. She's really good. She talks about the sea of the water. Sea of the water.
well, that's pretty
Like
inspiring.
that God created everything.
Yeah, it's like, hey, when you're a little confused, go to the scripture.
She said to encourage people to come to our church.
What do you get a big crowd there? How many people on a typical Sunday would
Yeah,
you say?
they have breakfast for the homeless.
Ah. Oh, it's the one right across from the library, right?
Yeah. I had a head injury in Unionville probably 10 years ago.
How'd that happen?
I was dating someone who was taking me to Ivy Tech to school and back every day, and he would start doing bath salts, and he introduced me to bath salts, and he just flipped out one day and started beating me up for 3 days.
What's bath salts? Is that some kind of drug?
It was a drug that they sold on the streets, like Spice now,
Oh.
but it wasn't smokable. It was like a powder. And so I started doing it with him just because, you know, he brought it into my life, and he was my boyfriend.
Well, you seem to pick loser boyfriends.
Well, I don't.
Is that an accurate
yeah.
statement at this
Yeah.
point?
Yeah. Yes and no. I
Have you had some? Tell me about your last winter boyfriend. You've been telling me about all these losers. Tell me about some guy who
the
like
last
had a
person
job.
I've been dating is looking for work, and it was a graduate at IU.
Oh, he didn't.
But he likes. I think he has a drug problem too.
Does he suffer from LAZY?
Yeah, I think.
No.
I think he suffers from like arrogancy.
Oh, that prideful thing they talk about in the Old Testament. Yeah. Well, what?
But I
where's-
mean, that's neither here nor there. I just gotta keep my head up and do the next right thing, you know.
I like that. I like that attitude. What about your family? Where's your mom and dad?
My mom died of cancer in 2016.
Oh no,
Yeah.
that's awful.
And so that's how I ended up in Bloomington.
Where are you from originally?
Mooresville and a lot of other schools. We went to a lot of other schools.
Oh, Mooresville. That's God's country up there,
Yeah.
isn't it? That's land of milk and honey, I think. Actually,
Yeah, a lot of kids died though that went to Mooresville. My cousin passed away.
What happened to your cousin?
He was drinking and driving.
Oh, yikes!
And then my sister's friend Jamie passed away.
What happened to Jamie?
I think she had something wrong with her heart.
Well, you know, every time I turn on the television
Maybe
set,
another Pepsi.
yeah, you know what? You like coconut water?
Yeah.
You know what? My buddy Bug Garden, again, we love Bug. He gave me these nice coconut waters here.
Thanks.
There's a nice big one there.
I know, that's asking much, isn't it? I thought I'd go for it. I don't get much help. But I know I have support. As long as I get this done before noon, then I can go to my meeting at noon. You ever been to a meeting?
What kind of,
They're AA meetings and NA meetings.
Oh, well, I like the way you're taking advantage of the resources.
Yeah. The shelter's helping me a lot because I don't feel as alone.
Well, there's...
And God helps me a lot.
Well, that's right. That's right, the big boy.
And I know He's just wanting me to see it through because I've been to rehab enough times to where I think I do better by just
Are we
saying
going?
no.
Are we going?
Take a right here.
Okay. Well, that's what Nancy Reagan said. She said, "Just say no."
Yeah.
And that's a pretty good. That's a pretty good way.
Betty White said that too, and God rest her soul.
So you said you're from Mooresville?
Take a left here. Yeah.
Okay. You know who is from Mooresville? John Dillinger.
Oh, really?
You know who John Dillinger is?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know that. Yeah.
He's the bank robber dude. He robbed the bank and he escaped from jail in Crown Point, Indiana. I'm from up near Crown Point. In fact, I live. Oh, okay. What do you think of my pinwheel hat, Crystal?
I like it.
Yeah, it's like I always say anything for a laugh. So, okay. Hey, when you see me around town, flag me down. I'll give you a ride. I'll give you a Diet Pepsi. Did I give you a candy bar already?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. And the door handle works? I got the door handle fixed, Crystal?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
God bless you.
Pleasure's mine.
Okay,
you keep
great.
rocking. We're rooting for you, Crystal, okay?
Thank you. Okay,
All right. See ya. And there we go. It looks like Crystal has her head going in the right direction there. I don't know if I've picked her up before. I'm gonna have to check the reel. She didn't look familiar, but she had her wits about her. Apparently she's been off the garbage for a week, so a week is a long time when you're living on the streets to do much of anything and get anything going in the right direction. So we're going to be rooting for Crystal. We're going to be looking for her in the future. And hey, to that I say ding, ding.